One of the pros of lowering springs is the stiffer ride, but on rough roads you will feel everything, and this started to feel times 10. So I looked, and this is what I saw. They installed it upside down, so they had to fix it, man, because this ride was a little bit too stiff, too rough. Almost damaged my damn car, man. And it was uneven because they did one side correctly and one side incorrectly. So brought it back, they fixed it, both sides balance, and as you can see, this is the correct way.